Miss Nicole here. Today we're going to practice putting dirty dishes into the dishwasher. So I have some extra dishes up on my counter here, and I'm going to show you where I sort my dishes in my dishwasher. On the top shelf, I typically put my cups and glasses, bowls, and coffee mugs. That's what I put on the top shelf. And on the bottom shelf, I put my dinner plates and smaller plates and silverware right into this tray here designated for silverware. So let's sort some of our dishes. All right, I have a glass that will go on the top shelf right here. I also have a bowl. We'll put that right in the middle, lining up with all the other bowls. Got a couple pieces of silverware too. So we'll put those right in the slot here. Some dishwashers have these really neat dividers where you can put different pieces of silverware into it. Some might have just an open cup or a slot to lay the silverware in. Mine has some designated dividers. So all you have to do is slide the piece of silverware right into the hole so it can be washed. Let's do the last couple pieces of silverware too. Got some spoons and forks. So here's a spoon. We'll put that in the right place. Awesome. There we go. Nice. All right, let's see what else we have. There's some little salad plates. Put those right on the bottom. Oh, here's another glass that'll go on the top shelf. This one looks like a coffee mug. We'll put that right over here too. A bowl on the top shelf. Here's another bowl. We'll line it right up. The dishwasher is looking pretty full. Here's another coffee mug. Oh, I see some big dinner plates too. There's a dinner plate. We'll put that right inside there. One more dinner plate. Put that right on the bottom. Nice. A couple more dishes. We've got another coffee mug. We've got a drinking glass. And another bowl. All right. Okay, looks like my dishwasher is nice and full. So after you fill your dishwasher, you can grab your soap and follow the guidelines on your dishwasher to wash your dishes. All right, great job helping today. Thank you. Bye.